G'day, how are you? It's Melissa back again with another video. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel today. I just wanted to record because I got started and thought, no, I need to record. I always forget to turn the video camera on. It's a hard thing to get used to. So what I am doing here is I have got this kit which I used to be part of the Creative Club, the Uniquely Creative Kit Club, and this is a kit from March 2020, and I wanted to kill this one, want to use this one up. We just recently went on a little holiday up to Gladstone in Queensland, and we stopped at a few beaches. We stopped at Hervey Bay on the way and also Tenham Sands, so I've got lots of beach photos which I thought I could use this for. So I've also got another kit which I'll use after this one because I've got like 100 photos. I've got heaps of photos, so I can kill a couple of kits, so that's really good. Now this kit, this is I think nearly everything that came in the kit. These are Uniquely Creative or Unicolor watercolors that I have barely touched, so I wanted to have a go at watercoloring. There's a watercolor sheet that comes in this kit, so I'll show you that shortly, but they come in some pretty colors in this one. See if you can see those pretty colors there. I'll have to watch the YouTube video on the Uniquely Creative channel so that I can remember how to use them correctly. That will be really good. So the kit obviously comes with the magazine if you're a subscriber, which I used to be. So in here you have all of your lovely projects. So I have gone through and picked a few photos that I want to scrap, and I've popped them in on the appropriate layouts that I want to do. So that's my first thing that I usually do, and then I will go through and start getting the papers together to make sure I can make all the layouts that I want to make. So that's what I use that for. So I'll just pop that to the side. In this kit, this was one of the, well, not the first one, but one of the earlier collections that that Tracy and the team put together. So this is their Tropical Dreams. It's just beautiful watercolor, beachy, very pretty, and it's on beautiful thick cardstock paper, so it's really, really lovely. I'll try and keep that in frame. I better keep making sure I'm up there. That's a rundown of all the papers, just to give you an idea. I'll just pop that to the side. So they're not the papers, these are the papers. So these won't be in order because I've already been mucking around with them. So there's a beautiful little seashells one there that you could fussy cut out as well. It has a lovely neutral sandy coloured stripe on the back. I'll just pop it to the side. Just go through them really quickly. Tropical has some florals and that down the bottom, and has this lovely stripe zigzag on the back. It's really cool. I tend to want it that way though, lighter at the top. So anyways, really, really pretty. Pop that one around that way. This one here is called Ocean Breeze, and this one is obviously a cut apart. I love this little heart here, super cute, little banners and some words, and on the back is also some 6x4 cut aparts. I zoomed in a little bit closer so that you might be able to see it a bit better. The little caravan, very cute. We don't caravan though, so I probably won't be using those. But in any case, this is some 3x4s. This is vitamin C. Vitamin C? Vitamin? Don't get that, but yeah, okay. Very pretty though. I love the anchor with the florals, and they're very pretty, very pretty. And then there's a small print on the back which is caravans and palm trees. Very cute. And this is Under the Sea, a watercolor one. Oh, this is the double one of that. Very pretty. Oh, I love the purple. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. That's lovely. Okay, so and then there's the text with the watercolor in the background. And then this one is just gorgeous. This is called Sunset. So you can just pop a layered photo in there and maybe a couple of extra embellishments on top of these, some ephemera, and you're done. Isn't that lovely? Love the colours in this, absolutely gorgeous. And look at that. It's so nice. Okay, oh, that's the other seashells one, and that's the other tropical. And then this is called Waves. And there's 2 of each in each of the collection kits. So this one's called Waves, and you can, again, just pop a photo on and you're done. Oh, and there's a little bit of a, kind of a squiggly stripe in teals and aquas. This is 2 sheets of their, I think this is the watercolour cardstock. I think that's what that is from memory. This is the one I've already cut up. This one is called Paradise, and it's a wood grain. And then on the reverse is cut apart florals, which are beautiful. And they're quite large though, nearly as big as my hand. But they're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Next one, oh, that's the back of, that's the Van one again. So that's vitamin C, and then there's the other one, other cut apart. Oh, and this is the wood grain and the florals that you can cut apart and use as ephemera, which is really good with these kits. And I think a lot of companies are doing that, is that you can buy a collection pack and you can cut your own ephemera. So if you're on a really tight budget, you can really just buy one thing and then cut your own ephemera out. Can make it really budget friendly, which is really nice. So that's the papers. There's a lot of papers in this. So there's like 12, I think. Let me check. No, 16. 2 of each, 2 of 8. So 16 papers. Also comes with little, what colour are these? Light blue rhinestones from Uniquely Creative. Let me see if I can get that up there. Still learning the camera. There we go. So I've got some of those. We have some little wooden embellishments. What do you call them? The little wood pieces, whatever they're called, you know what I mean? They're shells, and is there seahorses in there? No, starfish, shells in there. Quite cute. There is a packet of sequins. Oh, they're beautiful sequins. Let's see if I can get the colour in there. They're teal and green and clear, I think. Really pretty. This is the coordinating ephemera or creative cuts from Uniquely Creative. I'm not sure how many is in there. There's usually a lot, probably around 50 florals and words and everything in there. This kit came with a stencil as well for your mixed media. Yeah, kind of like a netting stencil, small stencil. Came with some flowers.
I'm back!
Okay, Mummy's recording. Can you go out for a minute? We'll go for a shower soon. Mummy's recording.
Where's Daddy?
I'm not sure. You go find him and you come back and tell me. We got some, what you call it? You know, that stuff. What's it called? Sorry, I lost my train of thought there with Saxon. Yeah, some, what do you call it? Not burlap, what's it called? Can't think of the name of it. You know what I'm talking about. The stuff you buy in the kitchen shops. Oh, there's some netting. That'll be nice. And then there's some of this, which pulls apart. This, I'm not sure what it's called. What is that called? Hexel wrap? Oh, the other stuff's called muslin, isn't it? You're probably saying that to me. Sorry about that. So this one, you pull it apart and it looks like netting. So it comes apart like that. Very cool. I've never seen that before, but I thought that would be really fun. Comes with a little stamp. And that one's called Sea Mark. Come in the kit. This is all in the kit. Like, they're fabulous kits. Came with a little cut apart, a little die. Here, let me bring that up, for a little caravan. And I think the door even opens on this, if I remember correctly from the videos. They're super cute. And then we also have some, what do you call this? You know what I'm talking about. A laser cut. Some fencing and van life. I probably won't use the van, but it's very cute. Actually, my friend has a van, so maybe I might do a little bit of a card for her. So we've got that, and then also the watercolor color sheets. Oh, I've got two. Oh, maybe I bought an extra one, I'm not sure. But there's two sheets, and then the cut apart. So I will go through with the little dies that I have from them, and I will cut all the little cut aparts out. Or even just hand cut them, obviously. The little starfish, I might just hand cut those, or I might do a circle out of a couple and then hand cut a couple as well. So they're really cute, little tags, tabs. So I'll just run them through my die cut machine. So the next part, what I normally do, once I've got all the bits out that belong with the kit, is I grab my photos and I start getting together my pages that I want to do. So my first page that I wanted to do was this one here by Michelle. So this was my favourite, and I have to actually find my photos because I'm going to have scenic photos go along there. So I'll have to get that together. Now this is an inspirational layout, so it doesn't tell you or give you instructions for these ones, but there are like a fair few that do. There's like 4 or 5 layouts that do. So what I do is I go through and I get together all my pages. So what I might do is I might go and do that and cut my paper and everything and get all my die cuts that I want for each layout to make sure that I can do the ones that I want. This one here, I just make sure I have the background and I have all my embellishments and I put it all together like a little page kit. So that's what I usually do. I'm going to scrap a photo of my daughter Carla for that one on our recent trip at Harvey Bay there. So that's what I'll do. So I'm going to go and do that, and then I will come back with another video and I'll have all those pages for you and I'll show you what I do with those. Okay, thanks for stopping by today, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.